In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a milestone in Microsoft Project. Milestones are those key checkpoints that help you track major events and keep your project on course. They don't represent actual work by themselves. Instead, they highlight goals, approvals, or deliveries. In Microsoft Project, milestones appear as small diamond symbols on the Gantt chart, making them easy to spot at a glance. Let's start with the simplest approach: creating a milestone with zero duration. Open your project and make sure you're in Gantt chart view by going to the View tab and selecting Gantt chart. In the Task Name column, click into a blank row and type the name of your milestone, something descriptive so it's clear to your stakeholders. Move to the Duration field for that same row, type 0 days, and press Enter. As soon as you do, Project converts that task into a milestone and shows the diamond symbol on the timeline. This is perfect for milestones that represent an instant in time, like a sign-off or a launch date. If you don't see it where you expect, check your Start field or your task links, as the milestone will follow your scheduling logic. If you already have a task that should be treated as a milestone, you can convert it without deleting or recreating anything. In Gantt chart view, click the task you want to convert. On the Task tab, choose Task Information in the Properties group. In the dialog that opens, go to the Advanced tab. Check the option labeled Mark Task as Milestone, then click OK. This keeps any duration you've assigned if you need it for tracking purposes, but the task will still display as a milestone on the chart. It's a helpful way to signal that the task's completion is a major event, even if work spans several days. There's also a quick shortcut available in some versions of Microsoft Project. Look for an Insert Milestone button on the Task or Insert tab. Clicking it instantly drops a new zero-duration milestone into your task list, which you can rename right away. It saves a few clicks and keeps your focus on planning rather than setup. As you add milestones, keep names consistent, place them where decisions happen, and use them to anchor status updates. Milestones don't extend your schedule, but they do clarify it, helping everyone see exactly what success looks like and when it should occur. That's all you need to add and manage milestones effectively in Microsoft Project.